Ma, you see that in there?
Junkie.
Mommy, look around there.
Huh? Oh, what's that? Deer?
No,
What?
deers are not like that, Mommy.
Oh, dito ka. Picture tayo kay Donkey.
Is that a cow?
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Zebu.
Come here. Donkey. It's a donkey. These are Cebu. Akala ko na sinasabi mo Cebu. Ano to? Cow? Parang cow? O nga no. Cebu. Mas Cebu daw baka. Mamulang niya talaga. Mas Cebu yan. Ano kasi baka yun?
Alpaca?
Hi.
Alpaca?
Yeah, that's alpaca.
Or is it... Brown one is the llama.
The alpaca is the brown?
Yeah.
Ay, the white one?
Yeah.
Oh, which one's the alpaca? The brown.
No.
Oh, look.
Nah.
Ana. Oh, ba't ganun itsura eh? Pareho, parang pareho lang sila, no?
Exactly.
They're eating. The llama and the alpaca. These are goat only. Ay, para masungay.
Mom, I got a cow.
What's that?
I got a cow.
Galloway?
Galloway. Look, they're like so cute. Look at them.
Cow na maliit.
Yeah, but they're so cute.
Pandakekok. Mga,
Lumalabas.
pandakekok sila.
Lumalabas yung ano.
Cow.
So cute. Hi.
Na-picture mo?
Got a
Oo.
cow.
O, dyan ka. Andun. Ito yung ano, mga goat na may malaking sungay.
Yeah, no, I don't want those.
Arapawa goat. Yan. Eh, sheep na to eh. Yung mga sheep oh. Ayan. Oh. Sali ka, feed mo yung sheep. Hindi sila nangangagat? Ay! Ay, may sungay ito. Eh, ito yung barako. Ay, nangingi to. Nangingi rin. Kawawa naman. Oh, yeah, medaw. Ito yung kasama nyo. Ito yung kauri nyo. Oh, medaw. Yan yung mga sheep. Ay! Bigay mo sa kanila.
I got a bunny.
Ah, there's a bunny there. Bigay mo sa kanila. Gutom naman sila kasi umingi sila eh. Kisha, dito ka. Picture kita. Oh, kaya ka. Lingkeng ka. Nasaan si daddy mo? Oy. Oh.
Mommy, look at the black. Oh, well. Mommy, look at the black and...
Pero maano sila, mabalaybo sila ngayon. Na. Oy, tingnan mo yung manok. Ayun oh. Nakadapo sila doon.
Mom, look how much animals I took picture of.
Yes. That's your
These are
collection.
memories.
Yeah, memories.
These are called memories.
Ay, abis na sa akin ka na. Goat. Weibo goat. Ayan. Ano sila? Mestiza. Mestisang goat. No.
Mestiza.
O yan, buti sila. Mapuputi. Para silang semi,
So, I'm a
semi...
mestiza, not a
Anong tawag doon?
Lorena.
Para silang sheep na goat.
Mom, I'm turning to mestiza.
Ayan, tingnan mo. Mestiza. Hi. Tingnan mo. Sorry. Sorry. Kaya pala sila gutom, no feeding. Oh, yan. Oh, nanggagawan nyo. Na.
Ma.
Yan, miyayaliwa ko kuli. Ating brown. Ito, matuling niya.
It's me.
Yan, yung mga sheep, matataba. Mabalahibo sila.
Mommy.
Yun, malalaki na yun nandun, no? Parang matanda na sila, no? You know?
Mommy, I want to go see Kiwi.
Okay.